KWFinder SEO Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to KWFinder are in the description below. Let's get straight into it. KWFinder, developed by Mangools, is a powerful yet user-friendly keyword research tool designed for bloggers, marketers, and SEO professionals who want to find low-competition keywords with high-ranking potential. It provides essential SEO data, including search volume, keyword difficulty, CPC, and competition level, making it an excellent tool for content planning and paid ad campaigns. One of its standout features is the ability to generate long-tail keyword suggestions, helping users discover less competitive yet highly targeted keyword opportunities. Additionally, it offers SERP analysis, showing the top-ranking pages for any keyword, including their domain authority, backlinks, and social signals. The strengths of KWFinder lie in its simplicity, accuracy, and affordability. Unlike complex SEO tools, it has a clean, beginner-friendly interface that makes keyword research easy. It pulls data from Google Keyword Planner, but refines it with its own metrics, providing more reliable keyword difficulty scores than free tools. The location-based keyword research is another valuable feature, allowing businesses targeting local markets to find region-specific search terms. Additionally, KWFinder is part of the Mangools suite, which includes tools for rank tracking, backlink analysis, and site audits, giving users a well-rounded SEO toolkit. However, KWFinder does have some limitations. While it's excellent for keyword research, it lacks advanced SEO features like technical audits, deep backlink analysis, and content optimization, which competitors like Ahrefs or SEMrush provide. The free version is very limited, with only a few keyword lookups per day, meaning serious users will need a paid plan. Additionally, while its keyword difficulty metric is useful, it doesn't always account for search intent, meaning users still need to manually analyze the competition. So, is KWFinder worth it? If you need a straightforward, accurate keyword research tool with great usability and affordability, it's a solid choice. However, for a full-fledged SEO strategy, you might need additional tools. Check the link in the description to explore KWFinder and see if it fits your SEO needs.